Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my presentation to the Honorable Mem Noni Marlianingsi SSM Hum and all of the audience. My name is Tamama Marifatika. I am a bachelor degree student in English education at Indraprastha PGRI University. This video was meant to fulfill the assignment of the academic speaking subject. My presentation this time is about job interview. In this presentation, we will do some job interview exercise that will help us understand how to answer question well, as well as how to communicate effectively with the interviewer. We will also discuss some tips and tricks that can increase our chance of success in an interview. Let's start by understanding some of the common questions asked in the job interviews and how to answer them confidently. Thank you, and let's start.
Tell me about yourself.
My name
Tell
is
me
Tamama
about
Maripatika
yourself.
and I hold a master's degree
Tell
in
me
English
about
education from
yourself.
University A. I
Tell
have
me
over
about
5 years of
yourself.
experience teaching English at
Tell me
various
about
levels.
yourself.
From high school to
Tell
university,
me
my
about
passion for
yourself.
literature and language drives
Tell
my
me
teaching
about
philosophy,
yourself.
which
Tell me
emphasizes
about
critical thinking and
yourself.
creativity. I
Tell me
enjoy
about
fostering a love
yourself.
for reading and writing in
Tell
my
me
students,
about
and I
yourself.
believe that literature can
Tell
be a
me
powerful
about
tool for
yourself.
personal and
Tell
academic
me
growth.
about
In my free
yourself.
time, I also
Tell me
write
about
poetry and some
yourself.
short story,
Tell
which
me
help
about
me stay
yourself.
connected to the creative aspect
Tell
of
me about
language.
yourself. Tell me about How did you hear about this position?
I came
How did you
across this
hear about
position
this
on university
position?
website while
How did you
researching
hear about
institutions
this
that align with
position?
my values and teaching
How did you
philosophy.
hear about
I
this
was immediately
position?
drawn to your
How did
commitment
you hear
to
about this
fostering a
position?
diverse and inclusive
How did
learning
you hear
environment,
about this
which I
position?
believe is essential for
How did you
effective
hear about
education.
this position? How did you Why do you want to work at this company?
I
Why do
admire
you
this
want to work
university for
at
its
this
innovative
company?
approach to education and its
Why do you
dedication to
want to
student
work at
success.
this
Your
company?
emphasis on integrating
Why do you
technology into
want
the
to work
classroom
at
and
this
promoting
company?
interdisciplinary learning
Why
resonates
do
with
you
my teaching
want to
styles.
work at this
I'm
company?
excited about the opportunity to
Why do you
contribute to a
want to
forward
work at
thinking
this
institution
company?
to prioritize both
Why
academic
do you
excellence
want
and
to
personal
work at this
development.
company? Why why do you want this job?
I
Why do
want
you
this
want
job
this
because
job?
it aligns perfectly with my
Why do you
professional
want this
goals
job?
and personal interests.
Why do
I
you
am
want
eager
this
to
job?
engage with students
Why
who
do
are
you want
passionate
this
about
job?
literature and language.
Why
And
do
I
you want
believe
this
that my
job?
background in both teaching and
Why do
creative
you want
writing
this
will
job?
allow me to increase
Why
and
do you want
inspire
this job?
and challenge them.
Why do you
Additionally,
want this job?
I am excited about the
Why do you
potential for
want this job?
collaboration with fellow
Why
educators
do you
to
want this
develop
job?
innovative curricula that
Why do you
enhance the
want this
learning
job?
experience.
Why do you Why should we hire you? Why
You
should we
should hire
hire
me
you?
because I bring a unique
Why should
combination
we
of
hire you?
experience, passion, and dedication to the
Why
role.
should we hire
My
you?
teaching methods are student centered,
Why should we
and I
hire you?
strive to create an
Why should we
engaging and
hire you?
inclusive classroom environment.
Why should we
I have a
hire
proven
you?
track record of helping
Why
students
should we
improve their
hire
writing
you?
and analytical skills,
Why
and
should
I
we
am
hire
committed to
you?
continuous professional
Why should
development.
we hire you?
I believe that my
Why
enthusiasm
should we
for
hire
literature
you?
and my ability to connect with
Why should
students
we
will
hire
make a
you?
positive impact on your
Why
institution.
should we hire Why should What are your greatest strengths?
One of
What
my
are your
greatest
greatest
strengths
strengths?
is my ability to communicate
What are your
complex
greatest
ideas in a
strengths?
clear and relatable manner.
What are
I
your
have a
greatest
knack
strengths?
for breaking down challenging concepts
What
and
are your
making them
greatest
accessible to
strengths?
students for all
What are
backgrounds.
your greatest strengths?
Additionally, I am highly
What are
adaptable
your
and
greatest
can tailor
strengths?
my teaching methods to meet the diverse
What are
needs
your
of my
greatest
students.
strengths?
My organizational
What
skills
are your
also help
greatest
me
strengths?
manage my time effectively,
What are your greatest
ensuring that I can
strengths?
provide timely feedback and
What
support
are
to my
your greatest
students.
strengths? What are your What do you consider to be your weaknesses?
I would say
What do
that
you
one of
consider
my
to be your
weaknesses is
weaknesses?
my tendency to take on
What do
too
you
many
consider to be your
responsibilities
weaknesses?
at once. I'm
What do you
passionate about
consider
my
to be
work
your
and
weaknesses?
often find it difficult to say no
What
to
do
a
you
new
consider
project
to
or
be your
initiative.
weaknesses?
However, I
What
have
do you
been
consider to be
actively
your
working
weaknesses?
on this, my prioritizing
What do you
tasks
consider to be
and
your
setting
weaknesses?
realistic boundaries.
What do you consider
I've
to be your
learned that
weaknesses?
it's important to
What do you
focus
consider
on
to be your
quality
weaknesses?
over than quantity.
What do you consider to
And I
be
am
your
committed to
weaknesses?
maintaining a balanced
What do you
workload to
consider to be
ensure
your
that I
weaknesses?
can give my best to my students.
What do you consider
So that
to be your
example,
weaknesses?
if you do
What
a
do you
job
consider to be your
interview
weaknesses?
and you
What do you
apply as
consider
a
to be your
lecturer at
weaknesses?
some university or
What
institution,
do you consider
that's
to be your
the
weaknesses?
some common question you get when
What do you
you
consider
doing
to
job
be your
interview.
weaknesses?
And I will give you some tips and tricks that can increase our change of success in an interview. First, prepare yourself well. You can do some company research before, like learn about the company. And second, show confidence. Make sure you maintain your good posture, speak in clear and firm voice. And third, give concrete examples, relevance of experience. Make sure that example you give are relevant to the position you are applying for. Fourth, it's ask the right question. Ask the right questions. Avoid questions that are too general. Make sure your questions are specific and relevant to the position or company. Fifth, or the last, follow up after the interview. After the interview, you can send a thank you email to the interviewer. Uh, that's all my presentation today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.